Tired of scrolling through hundreds of YouTube subscriptions? Here's how to organize them into groups for free. Install SubFlow from the Chrome Web Store. It instantly adds group management to YouTube. Create your first group. Just click the plus button, type a name, and you're set. Let's add tech, music, and gaming. Now assign channels to groups. Click the group icon on any channel to organize it. One channel can belong to multiple groups. Click any group chip to filter your feed. Now you only see videos from your tech channels. No more noise. Open the pop-up to see your dashboard. 5 groups, 12 channels organized, all on the free plan. Export your subscriptions to CSV anytime. Channel names, URLs, and group info, all in one file. SubFlow is free for up to 5 groups. Upgrade to Pro for just $2.99, one time, no subscription. Get SubFlow free from the Chrome Web Store. Link in the description below.